Is baking soda effective against all types of ants found in homes depends on the species and how it is used. Baking soda kills many common household ants when mixed with an attractant because ants ingest the mixture, it reacts with stomach acids and causes lethal gas formation. For best results, grind fresh baking soda to a fine powder and mix with a sweet binder such as powdered sugar or corn syrup at roughly equal parts to make a dry bait that ants will carry back to the nest. Place small amounts of the bait where you see consistent ant trails and avoid contamination with water or household cleaners, which will dissolve the bait and reduce uptake. Expect to monitor bait stations daily for 3 to 7 days and refresh them when they are contaminated or depleted. Success often requires patience because the bait must reach the queen. For species that rely less on sugar and more on protein, add a small amount of powdered peanut butter to increase attraction while maintaining the abrasive baking soda content. If you do not see reductions after a week, consider switching to other bait formulations, using mechanical barriers like sticky tape and sealing entry points to prevent reinvasion. Common mistakes include using plain baking soda without an attractant, which results in little or no uptake because ants will not eat it. Fix this by always mixing with something they prefer to eat. Another issue is placing bait in areas that are sprayed or cleaned frequently, which removes the bait before ants can find it. Move baits to dry, consistent trail locations and check them daily. People also expect immediate colony collapse and stop too soon. Continue baiting for several weeks because queens and brood take time to be affected. And complement baiting with exclusion and sanitation to reduce food sources. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and let contractors find new jobs in their service area. We also host an active discussion community where users share real experiences, bait recipes, and local pest insights that make it easier for everyone to solve home problems together.